Hi everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place, and I am back with a card number 4 from my online class. And if you want to get my online class kit for free, all you had to do was order the $50 or more from me using the host code, and I will send you the kit in the mail for free. The other thing is if you want to make the cards to look just like mine, then you need the Cheerful Daisy bundle. If you want to use another bundle or something that you already have that would work for this, then you can do so. But if you just order $50 or more from me by the 14th of any month with the host code, then you get the kit for free. The host code changes every month. In the description box below, I will have a link to my emails or my newsletter that you can join to. So if you'd like to get my newsletters, every month I send out a newsletter with the new host code in it. And that host code is good for my online class till the 14th. After the 14th, I don't accept it because I have to prep for my class to know how many people I'm cutting for and stuff like that. So if you want in, you have to do it by the 14th of every month using the host code that I provide for that month. So let's just get started on here. Also, while I got you here, if you're new, hit the like, subscribe, hit the little bell so you notify when I upload stuff. I would greatly love that. That helps me more ways than anything else, just following my videos. So, and share them with your friends. So this card is gonna look like this. Isn't that cool? It's like I've put a piece of vellum on here and made it so that it is like, I don't know, like a glass almost. So let's get started on this fun little card. There is quite a little bit of die cutting, but not a lot of stamping and not any blends. So that's one thing. All right. This piece did not want to come out. This is my scrap piece. Alrighty. Okay, for this card, you're going to have your base, and then this is your designer series paper that we're going to put right here. But we got to do a couple things with this first before we can add that to the card. So we are going to get, oh, forgot to bring my ribbon over. Let me grab it. Right here. So you're going to get some ribbon in your kit. I just don't have it. I don't have the kits cut yet. Okay, so this is Petal Path ribbon. And what we're going to do is we are going to bring this designer series paper back in. I can get it off the thing. And we want to attach this into the center. And how I've done that is I've taken glue dots, mini glue dots, and I've just added a few of them right across the center of this piece of paper, or the vellum. I know it might be hard to see, but I just added like 3 across there. And then I'm going to place this down, centering it right along there. Then I'm going to take my ribbon, the longer of the two, and I'm going to place it, if I can find out where I put the, they blend in so well I couldn't even tell where I put them. And then I'm going to put these back here, flip it over. You can use adhesive or you can use tape. Sometimes I use tape to just attach the ribbon on the back of the card like that, and then we can add the rest of our adhesive to the back of that. Just double check this, make sure you like where it's at. Then bring in your white piece and center it on here, just like so. Okay, and then we can do this part now. Take our extra piece that I gave you and do our cheat bow, cheat knot, whatever knot. And we will just make this. And then take your scissors and trim it up. Okay. There we go. So I got it all nice and trimmed up. So now we've got our other pieces here. I've got another scrap piece. It's the back side of that designer series paper. So I have that. So we got to get a few pieces over here. We're going to take and we're going to put all these pieces, the top layering ones, on top of the pink one. Then we are taking, if I can get this picked up, and we're going to put this one on here. That's the only one on there. And then where is the other? Uh-oh, hope I didn't misplace him. Oh, there he is. Okay, get him picked up. And then we're going to take this and we're going to cut this one out one time, and then we're cutting this one, little one, out 2 times. Okay, and then like we did in the last card where I ran this back through, I put it underneath just the leaf. We're going to do that after you cut it through. We're going to do just the leaf. Okay, so I am going to pause the camera, get this all cut, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it all die cut it out. I got everything cut out and ready. Now we're going to start attaching the pieces. Now on this one, I did punch out all of these little, oh, there's still some coming off. There's one right there I missed. All of the little circles and holes. So I did do that. This one just does not want to, there it goes. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some liquid glue, and I'm going to start it over here because I want to make sure big glob does not come out on it. And actually I might bring this in. Can you guys, maybe I should zoom in so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing here. Oh, let me zoom you in a little bit. There we go. And I am just going to go around get it going again. I know the pressure. Very lightly. And I'm just kind of like smearing it a little bit on there with the tip. So like you could bring this over and go like this. And then you're going to take the piece of that we cut out, and I'm putting this on the back, covering up the holes. So then I'm just sticking it on like that, okay? And then I'm going to go to the next one, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go around the outside, kind of like this. And then I'm taking this one of the littler ones, and I'm just sticking it right on, like that. And then I did the same thing here to this one. Tweezers might be easier to put these down on with. And if on this one, if you see anything that's poking out that drives you crazy, you can trim it. There's a little tiny piece right here. It's not really driving me crazy because you won't be able to really see it, but that is what it would look like. You can barely see it in the camera very well, but it does add to the card. So that's kind of what I did there for that. And then, let's see. Now on the front side, so flip it back over. Grab yourself some tweezers here. There we go. Add some glue. Is glue coming out? Oh, there's something on that. One of those little, yep. add some glue to this. And we're doing the same thing. And if you feel like you got too much, always just do this. Dab off. I do that a lot. I put it on and I can't tell, and then I just stick it over to the side and I just dab it off if I've got too much. Let me zoom you back out. Sorry if I'm making you sick. Okay. And then we're going to add this on here. Add one down. Pick this up. Put it down. Put that down. Okay, so it's like that. And now we're going to add these parts, these fun little parts. I try to line them up a little bit so I can tell where I'm putting them before I kind of get over here with the glue. So, yep, so that's the one I want. And I'm just going to add a little bit of glue on the backs of these. Some of these have a little more than I want on it. So again, I'm just going to dab it off over here. And if it still looks like a certain spot, I'll even push down on it to make sure it goes flat, because I don't want it oozing out on my card. Okay, then we got to find where the right way it went. It went like this. Okay. Release the tweezers and place it down. Okay. I'm going to move this so I can get the rest of these pretty good. Same thing here. I'm going to kind of see where this one sets up on here. Right there. Pick it up with the tweezers. One of these mats, I'll tell you, is wonderful. They're the Stampin' silicone mats. I don't know, I use it all the time when I do stuff like this. And then this one is pretty, you don't really have to line this one up, it's not as big. Put it kind of right underneath those three little dots, and then I kind of guide that little pink one where I want it to go. There we go. I just love this mauve. This is mauve in Bubble Bath. And if I ever call it bubble gum, it's because it's stuck in my head, but it's Bubble Bath. And yeah, I love, 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 love these colors together. And again, we're going to pop it up. So we got to get all our dimensionals, and we're going to kind of do the same thing as I did last time. Now we're going to put this down, and I put it down so it was like this. But now we need to add some glue dots behind this stuff so that it don't tip and wrinkle and do all sorts of things. So what I did is I took my little glue or glue dot, and I brought this up and I stuck one right underneath that leaf because you won't be able to see it. And then I did the same thing over here. I picked this up I stuck one under this flower. And we're going to have a couple more here in a minute when we get done embellishing more. And I stuck that one there. Well, now we got to do our little greeting, which I don't know what I do with my piece of paper, but I got this one. I don't know. So we got our paper. I got a mess over here. We'll push that off the side. And I used Oops a Daisy, so sorry. And I thought this would be perfect for Oops a Daisy, so sorry. And then inside you could say, I forgot your birthday. Or, you know, I hope your day was special. Or whatever it was. It doesn't, you know. And I just really, really enjoyed this saying, Oops a Daisy. And if you just wanted to say Oops a Daisy, you can always block out the words so sorry or fussy cut them off. You can do that too. And I'm going to just fussy cut this out. Okay. So then we're going to go ahead and we're going to take and we're going to put this right here with just regular snail. So we're going to put this down here. And then I'm going to take a glue dot and I'm going to put it down on this corner because the heaviness of this will make this like bow, you know, try to lean forward. The only place I put one, well, there's actually two places, but you can't really see it because of how I do it. When you put this down, if you put a glue dot right on that white, you can't see that glue dot through there. And I do the same thing on this corner. I put one right here, just like that. And then I will do one up in that corner right here on the blue or on the white, and then you can't see it. So now it's really secure and you don't have to worry about it being anything, you know, falling, tipping forward, anything like that. So now we're going to add some of the new gems. This is the mauve color, and I just went ahead and added a couple up here. A small, a medium, and one of the small ones, or the large and one of the small ones right up there. And then I take the medium and I kind of put it right down here. And that is your card, everybody. That's card number 4. I hope you guys liked the Daisy online class. If you'd like, comment, subscribe, share, all the good stuff. I really appreciate it. And thanks for stopping by. Thanks for joining my class. And if you're interested in joining my class next month, all the information is in the description box below. Bye-bye.